Alrighty, it is, well, it was like 50, probably 30 minutes ago. So before it gets real cold and starts raining, we are gonna go out, since at least the roads are, my driveway is free of snow. And stupid kickstand, I hate that. Stupid kickstand switch. Nice and blue over there, and then it's crap over here. Starting her out good. Oh my god, it's a freaking lake. And that is the result of all our snow melting very, very fast. Right there. Our snow just melted like stupid fast, so every low spot that was covered with snow is now a lake, which is fun.
there.
Such a little brat. And I think that is it for right now. Getting a little cold, wind's coming out. But if you guys want to see the kickstand trick one more time, park your bike normally anywhere, grab it, pull it towards you, pull that towards you, and done. Alright, that is it for me right now. I'm gonna try to put a few videos out this week now that it's kind of getting warmer and stuff. So until next time, be safe.